A lot of industries are getting hit right now during the spread of the coronavirus. Hand sanitizer and masks are flying off the shelves. And as Fox 42's Sherelle Moore tells us, one local business says calls for its deep cleaning service are growing too.
There's a lot of things that get touched here at Barricade 2, from the beer glasses to the games to the surfaces on the tables and of course the bathroom. That's why one cleaning company says it's important that they pay attention to all the details.
Here at Barricade 2, staff spend a lot of their day cleaning. They do it before everyone comes in and after everyone leaves.
I've definitely heard lots of chatter about coronavirus. It's definitely on everybody's mind. So anything that we can do to assuage their fears, we certainly will.
But wiping the counters and scrubbing the toilets only gets so far, so they call an extra reinforcement. And this particular company is getting a lot of calls for its deep cleaning right now.
It's typical, not just because of what we're hearing with coronavirus, but every year during flu season we get more calls to come in and do an extra disinfecting of like the playrooms or the classrooms in a daycare. We work with a couple doctors' offices, so we do the entire office.
The sprayer she's using is called an electrostatic sprayer. It pushes out a positive charge in the mist that cleans the surfaces.
So all of this is where people are going to sit and visit.
Whitaker says the cleaning formula was made with doctors and is EPA registered.
It has a 99.999% effective rate on surface kill of over 47 different flu-like germs and viruses, including MRSA and staph, strep,
and coronavirus. Whitaker says some of her clients have been calling for extra cleaning throughout the week as more people get sick. It's more work, but she looks at it as a positive for the community.
So when we're out in the public, we're sharing these spaces with a lot of different people. It's not just our family, so it's important that we are very in tune to the fact that we need to protect not just ourselves, but each other. So yeah, we have been very busy.
And Michelle says she gets asked all the time if her company does house calls. Unfortunately, it's only for commercial businesses. Reporting in Omaha, Sherelle Moore, Fox 42 News.